You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Take a closer look at this elegant E-Class wagon. All-weather capability, premium interior appointments, advanced safety and connectivity tech, and timeless design appeal make this your go-to choice for practical, family-friendly luxury. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, remote engine start, woodgrain interior trim, keyless start, active suspension, power passenger seat. You don't have to sacrifice luxury to get practicality. This elegant E-Class wagon offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.